In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Pinterest video on WhatsApp. We're keeping this simple and clear. By the end, you'll be able to open Pinterest, pick the video you want, use the share option, and send it straight to WhatsApp. This works on the Pinterest app or in a browser, and the layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the flow is the same. Start by opening Pinterest. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your home feed and saved content. A stable internet connection helps videos load quickly, and make sure you have the WhatsApp app installed and updated on your phone for the smoothest experience. Next, find the video you want to share and open the pin. Video pins usually show a play icon or start moving when you tap into them. Opening the pin takes you to its full view, which is important because that's where the share controls appear. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact video you want, and let it load for a second so the thumbnail looks good when you send it. If you're sharing with a group, consider what context your friends or colleagues might need, like why you're sending it or what to look for. Now, look for the share option on the pin. On most devices, it appears as an arrow or a paper airplane icon. Tap it to bring up the sharing menu. This menu lets you send a pin through different apps and services. If you're prompted to grant sharing permissions, accept them so Pinterest can pass the link along. You can decide here whether you plan to add a quick caption once you're inside WhatsApp. From the sharing menu, choose WhatsApp. Pinterest will hand the video pin link over to WhatsApp and open it automatically. Select the chat or group you want to send it to, add a short message if you'd like, and then send. The recipient will get a tappable link that opens the exact Pinterest video pin you chose. If you're on a computer, this may open WhatsApp web in your browser, and if you're on your phone, it goes straight into the WhatsApp app. That's all there is to it. Open Pinterest, open the video pin, tap share, and pick WhatsApp. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Some creators limit how their content can be shared, so if you don't see WhatsApp in the share options, it may be restricted. Also, be mindful of copyright and only share videos in ways that respect the creator's settings and your local laws. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.